Hello, internet. Oh, my camera isn't working. That's perfect. Let me fix the camera. 1 second. All right. Okay, I am back. Test 1, 2, 3. Okay, the microphone is working, camera is working. Cool. Welcome to the stream. My name is, well, I'll do the intro right now. As usual, my name is Ionel, and I started a series of live streams about building a website builder. And in case you don't know what a website builder is, let me show you. It's similar to what Webflow is, in case you heard about it or you maybe use it, or Framer. It's another website builder, which is a pretty, well, I can't say new, but newer than Webflow. But basically, a website builder is similar to well, it's a web application that lets you build other websites. And the structure of a website builder is what you see on the screen right now. I have a template from dribble.com. I just searched some UI designs about website builders. And usually it's in the center you have the page you are trying to build. On the left you have a list of components that you can use to drag and drop on your page. And on the right you have a specific set of styles that you can change on your page. You have to select an element and then you can change the styles on that element. And in the past 9 streams I was able to build a simple website builder. It doesn't look that nice right now, but it's pretty functional. It has some HTML page opened in the middle. Actually, I can start from scratch. Let me clear file. Let me close this. I can open an HTML template and it opens. The page in the center is just a simple HTML and CSS page. I have the tree view here on the right with all of the elements on the page. I also have a list of components that I can drag and drop into the page. Oh, oops, let me start the application. And if I click on an element, I have a list of styles that I can change using the sliders or inputs or select boxes here. And the goal of the stream is to build a simple website builder that lets you build, for now, HTML pages with CSS only, for now. And in the future, I will add more and more functionality. At the end, I want to build full-blown web applications, and I want the website builder to output React code or Angular code or Vue.js code. So it should be pretty complex. Connect to a database, make use of infrastructure. It will be pretty complex, but for now, as a starting point, as an MVP, a website builder that creates an HTML page with CSS should be enough. And to be more specific, the smaller goal is to build this entire page that I have opened right now using the builder itself. Because I have the HTML, I just loaded the HTML as I just shown you. I loaded open project. I can open an HTML page, but I want to build this page from scratch, having a blank canvas and dropping elements and building this from top to bottom. In the previous stream, I was able to build, as you can see, I have 2 headings here, 2 headers with my builder and the menu links, and also one at the bottom here. I mean, after the hero section. This was built using the website builder from scratch. So the website builder is pretty complex. Yes, we're back building, so welcome back. And in this stream, I want to start building the hero section, this section with the blue background, and maybe start on building this why choose my builder blah, this section with the cards in here, with the spacing that the cards have, and work ourselves down until we get everything done. And I think, yeah, in the last stream we were stuck on moving this heading. I just wanted to move it underneath the main one here, and the clicking and moving up. Oh, it works now? It didn't work last time. Okay. I wanted to say that it didn't work and I wanted to fix it. I didn't fix it, but it seems it works now. The reason we don't see it, let me refresh. There's one bug here. I moved it, but the move wasn't registered, so refreshing got me back to the old template. It should save the action of moving. So I can move things up. Okay. The reason I don't see it is because the original header is position fixed and everything is behind the header right now. To prove you this, I can what? I can make the position of this thing not fixed. I can do it manually. If I select this thing and go manually to the header, this is position fixed, as you can see. Actually, yeah, let's remove position fixed. Voila. Now I have the original header with the header tag here and my header, which I just moved a few moments ago. The reason this is the original one is position fixed is because when you scroll the page, the header stays at the top. And that's why it was made position fixed. And everything is behind that header. Even the hero section. If you check the hero section, as you can see, the hero section expands all the way at the top of the page. It has a padding, which you see with a light green here on top of the header, highlighted by the DevTools. A padding top or something, right? Let's see. Padding. This one, sorry. Yeah, 150 pixels padding top. And we can play with this just to prove to you. You see, everything moves up and down. To have the same functionality on our header, well, we need to add a property, a style property, to change the position from whatever is now to fixed as the original one. And we can do this using AI. Let me commit everything I had right now. This is from the last stream. I also fixed some errors before. This is... wait a second. Oh, I think let me finish the changes. What's this? This is border radius. Let's see if this works. Border radius. Click. Okay, it works. Okay. Anyways, let me commit this. This was, what was it? Oh, I think it was selection on the tree view. I can click on this. Oh yeah, and it selects elements on the page. All right. So tree view element selection. Yeah, let's leave it like this. All right, and now let's prompt AI. Do I have a new AI here? Where's my AI? Ooh, I think it died. Let me open. Oh, whoops. One second. Oh, where is it? I'm using cursor. Okay, so add the position style in properties panel. Oh, no, stop. In properties panel. I cannot select properties panel. Okay, not sure what happened. And what I also want this stream is to create blank pages, because right now the only way I can view templates is to open an existing HTML page. Not sure why it's disabled the first time. So, but I want to also have a button to create a new blank project, and then I can build everything from scratch. But before doing that, I need to make sure the builder is able to build this entire page from scratch. I think I'll add this hero section right now below this header. Yeah, let's do it while the AI is doing the magic. So the hero section is a box. So let's place a box under the header. Ooh, the dragging and dropping isn't very helpful this time. Why is that? Why is that? Let's try again. Whoa, something is not right. Do I need to refresh? I think it's because I resized the page. Or maybe because I scrolled. It's definitely a bug here. Yeah, let me scroll up. Oh, yeah, you see? It doesn't account for the scroll. So that's a bug. So I need to be all the way scrolled up, all the way up, and then I can add something. All right, so I added this box. This is the hero section. Let's add this text. So it's a text node. And the text is build beautiful websites without code and AI. That's one. Let's center it, and we can use that. We can center it using flex display flex. This is a column. Justify content center. Not justify content center. Whoa, what happened? Align items center. And something is wrong here. Align items. The select box doesn't show what I just selected. And I think I know I'm using a ref instead of a state. I'll just ignore it for now. And let's add another text for this thing. And I can see right away this smaller text in the middle. We don't have a text center. No. Because we used flex with justify content center or align item center, which does pretty much almost the same thing. Let's see if we need it, and we can add a text center style next, but only if we need it. So this one has a margin and padding, as you can see depicted in this highlight. Let's see if this one has. Also, this one has a margin bottom. We will add them later. Let's add another text node underneath, and this is called, I'm not writing this, I'll just copy this from here. This is called like this, and it copied the color as well, so I need to click on it and change the color to, actually the white is correct. I need to change the color of the parent, the background color. So this is what, blue, like more like a purple bluish, maybe like this. I think this is a gradient actually. The original one is a gradient, so we need to add, let's see, yes, background linear gradient. So we need to add some sort of a style selector input to add gradients, and we can get some inspiration from other builders. If I go here in Webflow, for example, I can go, where's that? Let's see, let's learn Webflow. Backgrounds, right here, backgrounds, image and gradient. So I guess I click plus. Whoa, okay, all right, so linear gradient. Yeah, and as you can see, I can pick colors, color black, color white, okay. So I guess in our case, it's some sort of a bluish, purplish, lighter color. And then the other one is almost the same, but darker. Oh, darker, like so. And the position, the angle is a bit like so, I guess. Well, you get the idea. They have this nice pop-up window that you can use to change any properties for the gradient. So we need to add something similar in the future. But for the purposes of this tutorial, wait, how can you copy color? Oh, that's a good question. Why did it copy the color when I copied the text? Huh. Why? Actually, you're right. It should have been black because the parent has color black. Let's inspect this. Color. It's a span. Wait a second. It added a span inside? Oh, I think this is a bug. You're right. When I copied, it created a span. I need to look into this. It shouldn't create a span. It should be just the text. So that's definitely a bug. For us, this is right now it's a good bug because it has the correct color. But definitely in terms of the HTML, this is definitely a bug. All right, let's go to the text color. Where's the text color? Text color white. No. Wait a second. Is white? Whoa. Something is wrong here. It doesn't pick the color anymore. Refresh. Oh, it didn't save. Oh man, I need to fix the saving. Sometimes it doesn't save when I create new elements. But let me check the color again. Oh, actually, this element doesn't have a background color. So I can just set it to white, like so. Alright, and make the parent background. Where's the background again? I need to fix the saving. So the background is something like this, maybe? Whoa, wait a second, what's the text? Should be white. Hello? Oh, opacity? Whoa. Yeah, there's a problem. The default values for color pickers are very weird. It has an alpha of 0, so that's not correct. Or at least it's not nice. Alright, and this is also a big text. This is font 26 pixels, so this should be the same here, 26. Alright. The next one, let's add the text back, the next text back. Like so. Wait a second, this is the same width, the same size? Oh, it added the text inside my original text, so I need to work on highlighting the correct area when dropping elements. So right now it says it drops under the main text, but I want to drop, I don't want to drop inside, so somehow, you see there are two lines in this case. There's a small bug in here. I guess I want this one. Yes. Alright, so this is the next text component. This is font size 19 pixels with a white color. So 19 pixels with a white color. I'll just fix it. And let's copy the same thing. Oh, I think I now need text align center. Yeah. Because the text, as you can see, it's not aligned. This is not correct. So let's prompt AI. Do we have the position fix? Position? Yes, position static. So let's prompt AI to also add a text align selector for aligning. Well, actually, it knows what is this for. All right, and while AI is doing that, our junior developer is doing that. Let's add the button. The button is really ugly, and I played with it. It wasn't that this ugly before. I played with it and I made it ugly. I think the background color was a bit lighter than this, and probably something like bluish, something like that. and definitely no border radius, or at least a bit of border radius. I guess so. Let's keep it like this for now. So next one is the button, and it goes here, and the text is try it free. All right, and let's see, flex column, justify center. No, I want to be start. No. Actually, let's increase the gap a bit. 25 pixels? The gap doesn't work? 25 pixels. It worked, but I think I had the wrong selected element. Actually, more than 25 pixels. What's the difference? The distance between these? This is a flex gap 50 pixels. Okay, let's have the same value. So let me correctly select this. 50 pixels. All right. And because of the padding and margin, these text nodes are more far apart than what we have. So I guess I will increase the. I won't use margins. I will use more gap. So let's go with 100 maybe. Maybe like so. And the parent has a massive gap, 100 pixels at the bottom and 150. And I assume this is because of the heading. That's why it has 150 at the top. Let's do the same thing, because at the end we'll just remove everything from the original template, and our new template should be just this. It should be the same. All right. Where is it? Padding top 150 pixels, and padding bottom it was 100 pixels. All right. Whoa. The scroll is a bit weird. All right. Let's take a look here. It almost looks. No, the color is a bit weird. It's darker a bit, and a bit more to the blue side. I think I'm playing with colors too much at this point. Hello, the cat in the background. Yeah. Wait until you see all three of them fighting and breaking my my window sheets. All right. Let's see what we have right now. What I want to do, I want to make this button be with 100%. But I know the Flex can do it with some settings changed. Let me play a bit with DevTools. So for this, justify content, Flex start. Let's see what option helps us. Oh, no option. Oh, wait a second. Align item center. No, this is the one I want. So it should be align items stretch. Oh yeah. And now we need what you said, Subo. We need a text align center. Let's see if AI finished. It did. Let's see, where is it? Text align. Oh, right here. So if I click on this, text align center. Boom. And this one as well. Text align center. Boom. Let's see if this looks the same as the original one. Almost, except the button has a bigger height. In this case, it's 45-ish pixels. Let's also make this one 45 pixels. And the color is different. And let's see if the color copying the color works right now. It didn't work in the previous stream. So copy background color. Where is it? Background color. Paste. It doesn't work. So this is 668 CFF. 3B, no, it doesn't work. 668. Background color. Paste, enter. Do I have to enter? Oh, now it worked. Alright. Wait a second. And the font size, 16 pixels. Let's also make this one 16 pixels. Oh, 16. Alright. Like so. Something is still different. Hello, Bogdan. Where did you guys find me? Alright, so the original hero section and our section looks pretty much the same, right? Yeah, I'll just check the box here. Idea: introduce a copy styles button and paste. Yeah, that's a good idea. Let me take a note about this. I usually take notes in the README. Where is it? In the README here. I have a list of things, of to-do items. Oh, this is too small. Appearance. Let me zoom a bit for you guys. 25%. Yeah, that's great. Add copy paste styles feature. All right, the next section is the why choose my builder. And if we analyze this correctly, we have like a big text right here. Actually, we have a big container. Doesn't look like Markdown. Oh wait, Markdown. Oh yeah, the README file, it's Markdown, yeah. Ah yeah, correct. Yes. And I also have a preview here. Yes, you're right. I can use something like this, right? X. How was it? With spaces? No? I forgot the syntax. I think it will with maybe like this. Oh yeah, like this. Yeah. Actually, let me do it as smarter. Bum. Like so. This is what you're talking about, right? Yep. Thank you. Good idea. All right, let's move on. So I have this section in the original template. So to rebuild this, I need a big box. A big text, and the trickier thing will be this section, the cards section. If I see this correctly, yeah, with NX. Yeah, the stream has some delay, so I forgot to change the settings to be low latency, and that's why I'm responding a bit later. All right, this is a CSS grid, and I don't think I have. Let me see if AI added anything related to grid. Oh, it added grid columns and grid rows. Oh, that's perfect. So it means we can create the same section right here. So we have a big box. Let's create a big box. Where is it? Like so, a big box. Yeah, the chat has a bit of like a 10-second lag or something. Yes, yesterday it was 4 seconds because I changed. I remembered to change a setting to be low latency, but today I forgot, and I don't think OBS saved my previous settings. All right, so it has a massive padding at the top and bottom, which is 100 pixels. So let's do the same thing. So 100 pixels, 100 pixels, and in the future I want to get rid of the PX, P and X characters, and just have like a select box on the right of the input to change your unit. But for now, for demo purposes, it should be all right just to write PX. All right, and let's add a big massive text right here. Massive text. Adding the text was a bit weird. I didn't see a highlight. So why choose my builder? And the text is what? 36 pixels font size with a font weight. Where's my font weight? It doesn't have a font weight? This can't be right. I think there's a bug in the styles panel. Let's see if DevTools shows us a font weight, font size, color, computed font weight 700. Yes, it does show us a font weight, but the style selector doesn't show us the font weight here, bold. So definitely a bug. Let's create here a to-do item. Font weight value isn't shown. But because I know the font weight right now, I can just go and make it 700, 36 pixels, boom, and text align center. Oh man, this is so nice. Wow. Well, I said a few streams ago, I said, nice. A few streams ago, I said that by the 10th stream, we will be able to build the original HTML template from top to bottom, and I think we will be able to do it this stream. Let's see if some other sections are easier, or at least as easy as these ones. All right, the next section, the next part is adding this grid here. So to do so, I'll need a box that I can make it a grid. And yeah, the highlight doesn't work. Oh, because of the scroll thing. Yeah, the highlight works only at the top of the page. So there's a bug when I scroll. So, but dropping the element in here works. Actually, it doesn't. Maybe if I do it like so. No, it dropped the box inside the text. Let me play a bit more with this. Like so, maybe? No? Oh, man. Like this? Oh, I think it worked right now. Typing Romanian in an English video, like driving a bike through the ocean. Oh man, whoa, I just saw you typed a lot of stuff in here. RMS team? Yeah, I was colleague Bogdan. Yes. Nice to have you here, guys. Thank you for joining in. Any input you have here for this this project is welcome. All right, let me quickly check if the new box was added correctly in the container, in the main container. So I have this box here, the main one with the padding. Oh, it has a bug, a small issue actually. The padding, this one, the original one, doesn't have padding right and left. So let me remove it quickly right here. Okay, and I saw the text is in here as a child to the main container, and the next container, which will be the grid one, has it's as a child to the main one, which is correct. Let's add 4 other boxes. Not 4, 6, because we need 6 cards in here. And now that I said this, it would be nice to add some sort of component editor inside the website builder, because right now I need to add 6 boxes with 6 texts, heading texts, and 6 smaller texts, when I can have like a component, like I can build a component in some sort of another view with the text and the subtext, and that will be the card, and I can add 6 cards. I want to show the component right here, like a card component, and I want to drop it 6 times, so I don't have to drop just like I will do in a few moments, 6 boxes with 6 texts, another 6 texts, and so on and so forth. So yeah, I need a component view, and when I double click on the component, oh, what I did here. When I double click on the component, I want to be able to go inside some other separate view from the page, and edit that component. And all the other components instances on the page should also update. But because I don't have that, I'll just have to build them from scratch one by one. All right, let's go back here. So let's try with the boxes thing. Let's drop one box. All right, and another box. Okay, and another box. And another box. And another box. What's this? 1, 3, 4. Is it 4? Whoa, whoa, whoa. I think I did something wrong here. No, this is bad. This is bad. Let me see what I did here. This one is deleted. A box inside this one. Alright, like so. Like so. Is it correct? No, this is not correct. Let me remove this one. Oh, the dropping is really tricky here. No. No. Oh, this is going to take a while. Have you seen Hydrocycle? Hydrocycle. Is this some sort? Merge request review. Yeah, I have to push this in a repo and make it public. What's Hydrocycle? Yeah, we need to fix the highlight thing. It's really annoying. Let me add the 6 boxes. Oh. I still have 4 boxes, man. Come on. Like so, maybe? No? No. No, 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 no. I deleted everything. No way. Ah. And the refresh doesn't work. It's saved. We need to add the redo. Oh, man. Oh, man. Let me quickly do it again. Text. I'll just leave the text right here. Yeah, we need that. That's really important. Honestly, when I added the boxes in the wrong place, by default I press Ctrl Z or Command Z to undo, but it doesn't work. Of course, because the feature doesn't exist. So let me do this 150 pixels. 150, like so, or 100 pixels, something. And wait, 0 and 0. Let me quickly inspect this. So we have this with the text. Oh, this one, no, not this one. This one has 100 pixels, 100 pixels. Alright, let's add the boxes again. So I have a big box in here. No, that's the wrong box. The wrong container. No. Come on. No. Oh man, this is so bad. I think I need to fix that. Oh, I need to add in the padding area. Maybe? Okay. Also, the highlight doesn't update when I drop a box. Alright, and another one. Wait, this works, this works. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 6 boxes. Actually, I have the wrong thing. I need to have a container and the boxes inside that. Because this container will be the grid one. Let me move them up. At least the dragging and dropping, the moving works. Alright, so I have... No, wait. Come on, it doesn't work anymore? Alright, it works now. And one more box. Boom. Alright, and now if I make this a grid, we should have the same thing as in the original template. Where is it? Display. Oh, the design of the UX of this style selector, the styles panel is really bad. Display grid columns, one fraction with one fraction, and rows none, with the gap of, let's see what's the gap on the original one. 40 pixels. Why do I inspect that with DevTools? I don't need to. And with a gap of 40 pixels. And boom, we have a grid with 6 cards. That's nice. I'm honestly afraid to refresh, because I'm not sure if it's saved or not. let's add some text inside each box here. And I won't change the text because it takes too much time and the stream is almost ended. Oh man, I didn't do anything. All right, and let's at least change the size of the text and the color. The size is what? 22 with a blue color. Let me copy the color. So this is text and the font weight. Font weight, oh, it doesn't work. It should be bold or something. Yes, bold. All right. All right, font weight bold. 22, right? Was it 22? Yeah, 22. And the blue color. Text color, text color, text color, right here. Boom. And I have to do this for everything, every single heading here. Text color. Oh, okay. Let me also add a new to-do item. The opacity for the color picker is 0 by default. Make it 100%. All right. 22. Yeah, as Bogdan said, we need control. Bogdan, or actually Madeleine. Yeah, Madeleine. We need a copy styles. Color, boom, font weight 700. Font weight 700. 700. 700. I won't change. Actually, let's change it. Font size 22. Font size 22. Oof. Font size 22. And the color. Paste. Paste. All right. For a second, it didn't paste correctly. Or it resets. I pasted it and then it resets. Let me try again. So paste, and now it jumps to 100%. Something is weird with this color picker. Anyways, I have the gist of the section, and now let's add the smaller text. So I guess if I do it like this, okay, is it added correctly? Man, the highlight is really weird because I don't see it. Yeah, it's added correctly. And text in here. Oh, no, not. Text in here. All right, it works. Right, so, okay. Like so. No. Come on, you can do it. If I go on the edge of the container, nah, it doesn't work. I thought it works. Let me try again. All right. And the last one. Yes. We can have a duplicate feature similar. Oh, yes. That's a very good idea. Yes. I like this one. Add a duplicate component, like a component element feature. Maybe using command/control+D. All right. But this section looks pretty nice. Why choose versus my builder? Text align, text align, where is it? Center. Font size, was it 32? With font weight bold. Boom. Oh, my grid has a border, and this is from the previous stream. This is because boxes have by default a border, and I need to remove the border when we add some elements inside. Let's see. Almost the same. It has a white color as a background. Each component has a white color as a background. So, isn't it white? Oh, not text. This was what, black? The background color. Where is it? Background color. White. Let me see. Yeah. It needs to be white. Okay, white. Is this correct? Yes, white. White. Come on. White, white, and white. Let's see. Okay, okay, it's getting there. There is a bigger, there's no border, actually there's a shadow. Alright, so I need a shadow style picker. It also has an animation, but I won't add animations, a hover animation. There's no border, so I need to remove the border. But the idea is that I was able to create this, 90% of this, or maybe 99% of this, using the builder itself. How much is the stream going for? Because I usually do this 1 hour a day in the week time, and I think 2 hours in the weekends. 46 minutes. Oh, I started later today. All right, back to work, I guess. Well, to continue this, the builder heading is spaced out from the cards, so I can make the container here display flex and add a gap. Display flex, flex column, and a gap width of what? 30 pixels maybe? No, 50. Like so, alright. Okay. And has a big spacing at the top. Oh, the parent has 100 pixels at the top. This one has the same. Alright, that's correct. I won't spend any time on making the cards, because I need to paste the correct text and change a bit of the border and stuff. But for now, it should be enough. The next one is this one. Let's see if we can build this one. Should I refresh the page? I'm scared. I know a trick. I think if I change the styles of something, it saves everything. So let me change... Actually, I changed the style of the... I added a gap right now. So if I refresh, fingers crossed, everything is there. Whew! Oh man, it's there. Alright. I need to fix the saving. Alright, this is the next section. It's the same thing, a big heading with some steps, I think? Yeah, steps 1 to 3. Alright, let's do it. So behind, below this section, we can add another box. Maybe like this? Yes, alright. And then a text. Boom, alright. And this, the value, the text is how it works. How it works. And text align, center. And the big text. This was what? 36, 32? 32. Come on. Oh, no. 32. Alright. With 700. Alright. And beneath, let's analyze a bit what we need to add beneath. There's another box with three other smaller boxes for 1 to 3. This is how I visualize this. Yeah, there's this box and these 3 boxes. Yeah, let's do the same thing. So how it works. Let's add a big box right here for the... No? Oh man, the dropping elements is really bad. No? Come on, you can do it. Alright, like so. And inside I have 3 boxes. 1, 2, yes, 3. Alright. And this is display flex. Where is it? Display. Display flex. So the UX for this thing is really weird. Okay, display flex. The justify is justify between, space between. All right. We have the 3 boxes. They have no border, so let me remove the border right here. Boom. Oh, actually, I need to have the border because I can't see them. Actually, it doesn't matter. I know where they are. Right? Yes. Let me add some text because it's really weird here. Text right here. Text right here. And text right here. And now I can remove the border. All right. And let me also add the 1, 2, 3. This will be interesting to build. This is just like a simple box with border radius 100%, and not a box. It's a text. So let me change this one. 1, 2, and 3. All right. And there's so many boxes here. I don't know what they mean. I think this one text align. No, let me make this box, I think, display. Whoa, border width increased. What the hell? Out of nowhere. I don't know what happened. All right. Let's. Whoa, again. Oh, wait a second. There's a bug here. I didn't click. I just moved the mouse. So the mouse down event it's hanging. And I think I know why. When I click on this and move the mouse, the cursor outside the properties panels on the right and release the mouse, the mouse up event doesn't register. So yeah, that's a bug. I'll fix it later. So this one, I said this is display flex. Justify content center, yes. And this text inside, what's the text inside? Well, this is hard to debug. So this is the big container. It has 3 smaller containers, and this is the text inside. All right, so the text inside, I think I need to have specific width and height. 60 pixels width and height. Let's do the same. So this is 60 pixels with 60 pixels. Text align center. Background color. Where's the background color? Background color, a bluish color, like so. Text color white. Text color white. Okay. Bigger text. Not sure how big it was though in the original one. 24 pixels and font weight regular. Okay. So 24 pixels and border radius a ton. Boom, we have it. And now I need to do the same thing for the next one. So display, where is it? Display flex. Content center. All right. And this one is 60 pixels, okay. Text center, boom. Font 20, I forgot, 22? I think it was 22. Background color, let me copy the background color here. And I think it was a bit lighter. All right, copy the background color. Which one is it? This one? Oh, yeah, this one. Background color. Boom. Hello. Okay. And text color white. Okay. Like so. Oh man, the opacity is really annoying. And border radius. Whatever. Boom. We have the next one. Oh, this is going to take a time. So the things that you suggested are really nice. Copying styles, duplicating stuff. I find them very productive. Let's do the same for this one. This one, again, display, flex, center. Boom. And this one is 60 pixels, This one is already 60 pixels. Text center, color white, background paste, okay, and border radius. Boom. Oh, the text size is 22. Come on, 22. All right. For some reason it's not centered, right? Yes, I need to do, where is it? Not this one. This one? Well, first of all, is it 22? No, 24. This is 24. This is 22. This is not correct. 24. All right. And 24. It's still not centered, but it works for now. Works for now. All right. Let's add some text beneath. Two text nodes for each. Oh, this is tricky. So, what's the container? This is so confusing. I think this one. So I need to add a text. Oh, come on. Like so? Nope, that's bad. Like so, maybe? Okay, yes. Because the flex is row, it should be column. Yes. Oh, whoa. This one looks very bad. And align items center. Yes, correct. That's good. The value of the text is choose a template. So choose a template. Okay, that's good. And this is font weight. Font weight doesn't work, but I assume this is also bold. Yes. And text font size 18. All right. So this is bold 18. Choose a template. Great. And another piece of text beneath this. Oh, no. Come on. Maybe like so? No. Maybe like so? Yes. Let's inspect it really quickly. I don't trust it. Trust the dragging and dropping. Yes, this is correct. And the value is, let me copy this from here. Boom. And text align center. Center. Where is it? Text align center. All right. Whoa. What's the, oh, it was the selected thing. All right. This looks okay. And let me do it for the next two and we will wrap the stream. So the next one is text inside and another text inside. This is not correct. Let me remove this. Text inside, like so maybe? No, come on. Text inside? Yes. Yes, all right. Now display flex is correct. Column, align items center. All right. Text align center. Bold text. Bold. Font size 18. And the text was customize design. Customize design. And this one, let me copy it because it's too much to write. Paste, boom. And let's fix this one. This one is ugly. What's wrong with you? Okay. Let's also add the text really quickly. No. Come on. Drop. No. This is really annoying. Yes? No? No. Let me remove the justify align items center. Make it start and try again. Okay, this one works. No. Oh man, wasted so much time on this. No. Come on, we can do it. Let me do it really in the corner here. No, you don't like it? Let me try again, maybe this part? Oh, this is a gamble. Whew. Maybe here? No? Oh, I think maybe I can do it like so. Yes. Oh, no. Why is my 3... Wait a second. The 3 is outside. Maybe because it doesn't have space? Yeah, it doesn't have space. Let me change display flex column. Alright. Center. Okay. The text is publish your site. Publish your site. Font weight 18. Bold. And the text here, I'll just copy it. Boom. And something is not right. Oh, the text is not centered, right? Not even here. Actually, it is here. Maybe here? Something is not right here. Okay. And boom. Oh, I need to remove the border here. Border width 0. Bam. Let's see. Almost looks the same. The container itself has a big padding, right? Yes. 100 pixels top and bottom, and the background white. Yeah. So. Oh. What did I do? 8 pixels. This is not the correct one. This one. 100 pixels. Come on. Pixels. With 100 pixels. With no side padding. And the background color white. And this one has the wrong background color. This one should be background color. Where is it? Nothing. Just transparent. Wait, it doesn't work? Oh, everything has a background color now? Let me remove them one by one. Background color. Background color, background color, background color. Okay. And boom. Oh, I need to remove the border here. And I am done. And these are the sections. Okay, it's getting there. This one is really easy. It's the same as the one with the cards, right? Where is it? Right here. The next one with the pricing. This one is a bit trickier because I think the most popular here, the most popular pill here is positioned absolute. Let's see. Yes. Actually, I do have position absolute. I don't have styles for changing the top and the left. But we can easily add that. And this is just some text with two types of text here. Text, a button, border, color. We have border color. This is just the same as the hero section at the top. This one. Oh. And the footer, let's see. It should be pretty simple as well. I'll try to create these offline if I have time for tomorrow. But I think we achieved the goal of creating a website in 10 streams, a website builder in 10 streams that gives us a simple template. But I think actually there are a lot of things that we need to add next. Like saving it in a new file and previewing it. So we will add that next. And all the features that you guys suggested in this stream. Whew, that was nice. That was really, really nice. I'm impressed about what this can do. Great. Whew, that was a roller coaster. All right, that is about for this stream. And tomorrow, didn't we have a preview feature? No. I used the IDE to preview the template. I have a button here that opens the template in a new page. In a new, it creates a server internally and it allows me to view that specific template. But this is created by the IDE. Oh, look at this. This looks... We have some bugs here, as you can see. The original how it works looks like this. And mine looks like this. So I need to add it inside the container. And the same for the white choose a builder. Okay. Oh. Wow, I can move... Oh man, there's a bug here. Everything is draggable right now. Oh, I mean, almost everything. As you can see. The script left the draggable code inside the template. The whole page needs... not the whole page, each section, because the container of each section spans across the entire width of the page. As you can see, this is the container left to right, and the content inside is inside another container which has a max width. So we need to do max width for each section, just so we can preserve the background color being white, dark, white, gray, and so on and so forth. But it's getting there. Cool. I'm rambling too much. Yeah, it's the bleeding background. Exactly. Yeah. Cool, guys. All right. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow, where we will add hopefully these new awesome features and fixing some other bugs. And yeah, that's about it. See you in the next one. Peace.